The Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are set to become the latest and greatest smartphone from the house of Google, and even though there's still a few months between now and the eventual release of the two phones, there's already plenty of information available. In fact, Google can be thanked for many of the details, as the company has continually released Pixel 7 and 7 Pro teasers over the past few weeks and months. As highlighted in the previous section, the new Pixel phones do come with some aesthetic changes in the camera department. Most notably, a camera bar that is more seamlessly fused with the rest of the device. Pixel cameras have always been excellent, and Google is likely keen to make sure that doesn't change with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. At the same time, that doesn't automatically mean major changes are coming this year. Google has never really been one to hastily replace the camera hardware on its phone. Much of the Pixel photography strength comes from artificial intelligence and machine learning, and that's almost certainly not going to change in the near future. Considering the Pixel 6 lineup was the last time Google upgraded the camera hardware, it shouldn't be expected that the Pixel 7 series will see any meaningful hardware changes in the camera department. Instead, camera will further look to improve the machine learning elements, likely with the help of the new Tensor chip, to offer an even better photography experience. As is often the case with Pixel phones, Google typically uses these devices to showcase its latest photography software developments, and there's no reason to suggest that will be any different this year. One of the best examples of Google's software tweaks was the introduction of Magic Eraser, allowing users to remove unwanted elements from photos after the fact. Then there's Google Real Tone, which looks to more accurately represent the skin tone of the subject. While it is to be expected that Google will make improvements to many of its existing camera features, it will likely debut some new ones with the Pixel 7 series as well.